Ar-Rahim, dear brothers and sisters in Indonesia, Alhamdulillah, in this holy month. And today we are finished the preparation and internal equipping of the new ambulance that will be added for the services of the Indonesian clinic in Gaza Strip. These ambulance come with the kindly donation from the ACT Foundation and for the Kota Padang, Indonesia. This is an organization which stand with the Palestinian in Gaza Strip and stand with the patient and disabled people and the injured people in Gaza Strip. This ambulance will be add a service for the Indonesian clinic in Gaza Strip, ambulance services, as there is a lot of patient need for transferring for the clinic and for the hospital and for the home. This ambulance will serve injured person, will serve the chronic case patient and the dialysis patient and the disabled person also, and also will be acting in the emergency and in the Israeli escalation on Gaza Strip. Inshallah, this ambulance will be engaged in the ambulance services with the Ministry of Health in Gaza Strip. Jazakumullah khair wa barakallah fikum. Inshallah, we will hope that your support will continue for Gaza Strip and for the patient of Gaza Strip.